Hi, before you dive in and start your data migration work, you need a plan. Now, the beauty of the Flow 7 migration system is that it can apply to small or big projects, and the type of plan you decide to use can be whatever you're comfortable working in. You might start with a spreadsheet, you might be more comfortable using something like Zoho projects or Trello or Asana, or maybe for simple projects, you're just happy with paper and you can use the 7 steps as your core milestones, and then you build up the subtasks from that. So, whatever you do, at least start with some form of plan to kick off your project. So, it makes sense to work in the tools or work in the way that we want to work, whether it's a piece of paper or a one-page plan such as this. He taken a template approach and using a PDF style document, and I obviously provide some of these documents, and you can fill in and save your project plan, and it will give you a comprehensive using the 7 step framework all the way through to the migration and the migration closure. Many of us are very happy in Excel, and obviously in Excel you can then adapt this and add more or change things more to suit your project. But likewise, it gives you full control through the 7 core milestones, and then we have sub milestones within the framework, and these are detailed in my different base templates. Or maybe you prefer SaaS software such as Zoho projects. So this is the Flow 7 system in a Zoho projects. You can drill down and add everything you need to adapt it more to your needs. Now you've got your plan to hand, and definitely if it's based on the Flow 7 framework, you now have a path to follow that will take you from starting your migration or data project all the way through to going live. Create your own or buy my low-cost templates. Whatever you do, make sure you have your project plan. And then we can move on to step 1, your data sources.